A very good morning, students. So as we have completed the revision of chapter number 2, today we will start the revision of chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. So what do you mean by the linear equation in two variables? Two variables where we are having two variables like x and y, and equation is that which is equal to 0 like this, and linear where the power of the variables is 1. The equation in which power of the variables is 1, that is known as linear, and here two variables, so it is linear equation in two variables. So in this chapter we will learn how to solve these type of equations. As in our first exercise, one more thing, standard form of linear equation in two variables, that is ax, a is any constant, by plus c is equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is the constant term. So value of a, b, c may be any value is there. So if you have given any equation and you have to, it is said that you have to find the value of a, b, c, then we will compare that equation with the standard form. As we have given 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y, and we have to tell the values of the variables a, b, c. Then how we will do? We will compare our given equation with the standard form. So this can be written as 5x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. And when we compare these two equations, we will get a as 5, b as minus 3, and c as minus 4. So this is how to find the values of the variables. After that, we have given any equation and we have to write that equation in two variables. Suppose you have given any equation, you have given x is equal to 5. This is you have given, and you have to make this in equation in two variables. So here one variable is x, second variable is not there, so we can take second variable as 0. Coefficient of second variable as 0. This can be written as x plus 0 into y is equal to 5. So this is linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now in exercise we are having first question, we have to make the statement. How to make the statement? How to make the equation from the statement? Here statement given to us, that is cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Now here we have to make the equation, and what is given to us? Cost of notebook is twice cost of pen. So firstly here we will let cost of notebook, that is x. Then we will take cost of pen, that is y. Now according to question, cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So here x is equal to twice of y. Okay, or you can represent this x minus 2y is equal to 0 in standard form. This is the equation. In next, we have to represent the following in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. As one example I have given you already, it is same like that. Okay, so this is our exercise 4.1. You will try these questions, and after that in next exercise we are having find the solution. A unique solution, only two solutions, or infinite many solutions. We have to find the solutions of these equations. So how to find the solutions or how to write the solutions? In this we will make one variable as fixed and one is changing, like 2x plus y is equal to 7. This is given to us. We have given 2x plus y is equal to 7, and we have to find the four solutions for this equation. So this can be written as y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Here we will put the values of this variable and we find the values of y. X we can take as 0. So y will be 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. X may be 1. So y is equal to 7 minus 2, that is 5. So here our solutions are, here we can write the solution like here x 0, y7, x1, y5. In this way we can find the three solutions. So students, you will try this exercise 4.1 and 4.2 and you will note down the problems. If any queries there, then we will discuss in tomorrow's Zoom session. Thank you and have a nice day.